This short video demonstrates the basics of using a jewellery inspector with a smartphone. I'll first show how it is used with loose diamonds. Stones are placed on the flat deck part of the tray provided with a kit. Then the Gemetrix app is opened on the phone and the jewellery inspector option selected. The camera is positioned over the lens of the inspector and the LW lamp switched on. To capture the image, tap the LW frame, then tap the white shutter button. The LW frame now has a thumbnail image in it. Rock the light switch to SW. If the image has a purplish reflection, wait a minute for the lamp to warm up, when the reflected colour should disappear. Tap the SW frame and then take the photo. Select the compare icon and the images will flash between SW and LW. Either of them can be viewed with pausing the effect, but the most useful viewing is with the slider. After tapping the slider button, grab the slider line and swipe to compare the LW and SW images. The difference between the images allows suspect lab-grown diamonds to be spotted. To observe phosphorescence, tap the back arrow twice to return to the live camera view screen. Switch off the SW and note any diamonds that continue to glow. This reaction is normally indicative of HPHT growth. To examine rings and earrings, a ring can be pushed into a channel in the tray. For loose smelly, a special tray is supplied with grid markings. Pour the diamonds onto the tray. Slide the tray under the housing. Turn on SW and select the Melee option from the main app menu. Take 2 photos under the Viz and Phos labels. And then they can be compared with the slider like in the previous section. Remove the tray and locate suspect HPHT grown diamonds by their glow as shown on the app images. Let me talk about a few other features of the app. The camera view can be enlarged with normal finger operation. And for a more advanced operation of the app, which is better with iPhone than with Android, open the settings panel. It shows controls for focus, exposure and white balance, which can be adjusted after selecting the custom button. Use a slide control to adjust these settings. To save and load images, when comparing the LW and SW images, pause the display with the button at the bottom right. Then touch the Save, in this case LW, image. After it's been successfully saved, select the SW view option at the top, then repeat the save operation. The photos are saved in a Gemetrix album that will be automatically created along with an LW or SW label. To load images for later review, on the capture screen, highlight the LW frame and then touch the load button, which takes you to the photo gallery where the Gemetrix folder can be found and the LW photo selected. It is now loaded. Repeat the process with SW. And now when compare is tapped, the 2 photos are active. I hope this video explains how the jewellery inspector is used and that you find it useful and fun, examining diamonds, jewellery, coloured stones and other gems. And do visit the Gemetrix website for useful links and information on other products.